Oh shit. This is how to reroute your turn signals, those turn signals, so they can stay on like that. Simple as shit. You just reroute the center one. This one's done already. This one's barely getting finished. Showing you guys before I finish the whole thing. Center one is the positive. You gotta have two of them. This is from the junkyard. Pulled it off of the same car. You just connect this green, yellow to the positive and the headlights, and the other one you just connect it to a oh shit. So green positive and black negative. You just connect it. Bam. Turn signals from the junkyard. And this was a stock. Don't fuck with the stock. Don't take it off. Don't do shit. Just keep the bulb in there so they don't flicker quick. Alright, so finished product. Done. Everything is plugged in. Mickey Mouse the fuck out of this shit. That's my ground to my turn signal. Bam. Check it out. Turn signals don't work for the front though. But fuck it.